Alright, today I'm working on these posts, and it's got a little bit of rot on this one, but not bad enough to replace them. So what I'm doing is I'm using my router here, and I'm taking away some of the rot, and I will fill that in with some material and some glue, and everything will be nice on these. This post over here has substantial rot, and I will have to remove at least 2 of the boards, possibly all 4 of them, and I'm replacing all the pieces that go around the post. That one has already been done by the homeowner, and I need to put some around that 4x4 post, and those are the rails that go in between here. You can see where they were. And I would set my tripod up, but I don't have it on me to let you see how I'm routing that out, but I think you'll get the general idea. Well, Murphy's Law struck again. I got to make a little plate, and I didn't bring my router that had the router table on it, so I got to use this one. I put up a guide on it. We'll see what happens here. Not exactly the way I wanted to do it. Alright, here we are back at the post replacement. I have a jack in position, and I jacked it up, and I'm going to commence to taking this apart little by little. At the top, I'm going to take it apart and see what's holding it at the top, and then remove it from there, and then remove the bottom. Alright, this is not quite what I thought it was. I thought there was a 4x4 running up in this post, but there's not. Let's take a look and see what the inside looks like if we can. I shut my light off, and I don't know what we can see up in there, but hopefully we'll be able to look all the way up in there and see what's going on. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, this is the top of the post. I don't know whether you can see, there's nails in there. I'm going to take the reciprocating saw and slice them nails and free this post from that base up on the top there. Alright, I got the new post made. You see, I had to bring my radial arm saw. I had a small table saw and just a little chop saw, and it wasn't very good for what I was doing here. I got the new post made. I got the old post taken out. You can see where that was rotted on the bottom there. And this was a load-bearing post. I got to take that decorative stuff off and put it on the new one. But I can do that once I got it up. Not a big deal. Now what I'm doing here is I'm going to slip my post over this. I made myself a little diagram. I don't know whether you can see that or not, where the 2 posts are. There, you got that one, and then you have this one. That one the homeowner already did. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dimensions on this, in between there, all the way around, and mark it on the diagram. And I'm going to slip my post. Let me show you the way they got the post made here. I figured the way they did this originally was they made this post by the piece. What I did is I took the one side and I cut it shy of what I needed so it'll slide over that, and then my trim pieces will go around there and everything should be okay, because that's where all the load is on that little base. Alright, my post is in position. Now I got to do the trim work. Trim work and caulking. I still have a little bit of trim to do around this post, but it's in position and it's holding weight, so I'm good with it right now. I'll finish this project up sometime this week, I think. That's the way it's looking. Alright for now, because it's a little late. That'll be it for this. That's the final product, other than some paint being put on it. And we'll get that probably this week sometime, finishing painting it up. Alright, that wraps it up.